Then I'm going to show you how you can make a world full of lava. So go into more world options, world type superflat, customize, presets. You want to delete all of this stuff in the text box, 384 asterisk lava, semicolon nether underscore wastes, and you're good to go. This is going to create a full world of lava with a nether biome in it. So let's see what happens. So if you didn't choose creative mode, you'd have really big problems right now because lava is probably hot. And as you can see by the sky, we are actually in the nether. So this world is completely full of lava, it is virtually unlimited, and we can go to the bottom of it. The bottom is actually 384 blocks down, and here you are greeted by the bottom of the world. Now we are in the void. That's it. That's your world full of lava. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all there. Bye bye.